In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the logo in a contact form on Monday.com. Whether you're updating your business branding or simply want to refresh your contact forms, this is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you'll need to navigate to your board. This is where all your projects and contact forms are housed, making it the ideal starting point for our task today. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited your board in a while. Next, you should go to your profile. This is usually where you'll find access to a wide array of settings linked to your account and your responsibilities. Once in your profile, look for the administration option. Clicking on it will open up a host of settings that you can control. It's a crucial step because it houses the settings we'll need to adjust to update our logo. Within the administration section, you'll find the customization tab. This area allows you to personalize various aspects of your Monday.com experience. These customization settings are where you'll be spending most of your time today, honing in on those branding choices. Now you'll want to click on branding. This is where your current logo and other visual elements related to your brand are stored. The branding section is designed to ensure your Monday.com account is a true reflection of your business identity. Once you're in branding, you'll see an option to change the logo. Click on this and you'll be prompted to upload the new logo you'd like to use. At this point, make sure that your new logo is ready to go on your computer. It's best to have a high quality image file, as this will ensure that your logo displays clearly on your contact forms. After selecting the new logo file, you'll need to download it into the system. Allow the system a moment to process the new image. Once the file is uploaded, you may need to adjust your logo to fit the preferred dimensions set by Monday.com. This usually involves resizing or moving the logo to fit within a specific area on the form. When you're satisfied with how the logo looks, the next step is to click on Crop. This action will finalize the positioning of your logo, ensuring it looks its best on your contact forms. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your logo on the contact form in Monday.com. It's a simple process that can significantly enhance the professional appearance of your contact forms. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore the help section within Monday.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.